Hey guys, welcome to Horizons. In math today, we're going to be doing something a little different. Some of you might enjoy today's lesson. Today, we're going to be talking about something that you might see maybe quite often. You probably need this if you're going to go to the store. Maybe sometimes you might get this as a gift, maybe in a birthday card or something. Maybe you found this under your pillow from the tooth fairy. You got some of this. Do you know what we're going to talk about? Maybe, here's a good hint. Maybe you've found it on the ground, on the sidewalk, and you thought, oh boy, look what I found, and you picked it up. Maybe you've heard the saying, find a penny, pick it up, and all day you'll have good luck. That's right, today we're going to be talking about money. All right, so we're going to talk about money today. We're going to start with the penny. On our penny, we have President Abraham Lincoln. Maybe you knew that, maybe you didn't. That's President Abraham Lincoln, and he is on our penny. So the penny is worth 1 cent. 1 cent. We're going to go over how much each coin is worth. And then maybe we'll do some different things with them. But this is a penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent. All right. Our next one would be the nickel. The nickel, how many of you know who is on our nickel? On our nickel is President Thomas Jefferson. The nickel is worth 5 cents. So if we wanted to make 5 cents with a penny, we would need 5 pennies to equal one of these. This one is worth 5 cents. This one is worth 1 cent. Our next one is the dime. Here's a picture of our dime. It's the back side of it. There's the front of it. The dime. Dime is worth, how many of you know how much the dime is worth? It is worth 10 cents. Maybe you know who is on this. This is President Roosevelt. President Roosevelt, he is on our dime, and the dime is worth 10 cents. Well, if I wanted to make 10 cents with these, with our nickel is worth how much? 5 cents. I would need 2 nickels. 2 nickels equals 1 dime because these are worth 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, and then we have one that is worth 25 cents. That's our quarter. And our quarter has President George Washington on it. It's President Washington on our quarter. All right? And this is worth 25 cents. So, let's see. Let's count some money. Let's see what you remember. This is a what? A penny. And a penny is worth how much? 1 cent. Good job. So let's count how many pennies we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 pennies. 5 pennies here. That means we have how many cents? 5 cents. Good job. So with our pennies, we have 5 cents because we have 5 pennies. Each one is worth 1 cent. So we count our pennies by 1. All right. Our next one is what is this? Our nickel. Our nickel, that's right. And our nickel is worth, how many fingers do you have on one hand? 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So when we count our nickels, we're going to count them by 5s. So we have one which is 5, another one which is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have 30 cents. Each one is worth 5. All right, let's look at our next coin. We have our dime. And our dime is worth how much? If I had 2 nickels, it would be worth 1 dime. Remember, these are worth 5, so if I have 5 plus 5, that's 10. These are worth 10. Let's count how much we have. So 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 cents with our dimes. Then we have 4 dimes, 40 cents because they're each worth 10. All right, this is the big one. And this is our quarter. The quarter is worth 25 cents. 25 cents. So let's count by 25s. Now this might be a little hard. Some of you might already know how to do this, but if you don't, you can just follow along and listen. All right, so this is 25 cents. So this one is 25. Another one, 25 plus 25 would equal 50. Another 25, 50 plus 25 is 75. And one more. Now we wouldn't say 100 cents, we would say $1. So if you have 4 quarters, you have $1. 4 of these equals 1 of these, $1. All right, now there is another coin that I skipped over. This coin, he's pretty big. This is our half dollar, our half dollar. Our half dollar is worth 2 quarters. 2 quarters equals 1 of these. It's worth 50 cents. So 2 quarters is 50 cents. That will be half of $1. And so on our half dollar is President John F. Kennedy. He is on our half dollar, which is worth 50 cents. It's half of $1. So if we have two halves equal a whole, and that would mean we would have $1 if we have 2 of these. All right, guys, hopefully that made some sense. If you were a little confused by some of that, that's okay. It's just going over different ways of counting. So real quick, we'll go over again how much each one is worth. I'll show you them. This is a penny and it's worth 1 cent. This is a nickel and it's worth 5 cents. This is a dime and it's worth 10 cents. This is a quarter and it's worth 25 cents. And then our big one, our big coin is our half dollar and it is worth 50 cents. Good job. All right, guys, I hope you are able to go out and have some fun this week, do something exciting, and I just hope that you're having an awesome, awesome summer. I encourage you guys to just maybe share this with some friends if you want, and you guys can even tell them who is on each piece of money. Some people don't even know that, and so maybe you'll be able to share something with somebody. I hope you're having fun, and I just hope that you have a chance to just spread some love to those around you and just spread some joy and do something exciting and have a great week. See you guys later.